Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. We have y and first derivative of y. So we can use about integrating factor. So we need to find about mu s equals to e to the power of the integration of 1 over 3 in here next to y. This is about integrating factor, and this one we have s over 3 after we do the integration of 1 over 3 dx. That means we multiply both sides by this one. Next, we need to put the integration for the both sides. Now, we can apply about the product rule of derivative. So we have first derivative of y equals to first derivative of u multiplied by v plus first derivative of v multiplied by u. So if we look carefully about this one, this is about first derivative of u multiplied by v, e to the power of s over 3 with number 3 in here. That's about first derivative of e to the power of s over 3 multiplied by y, and this is about u in here. The integration of this one, we have y equals to uv. Now, the integration of this one, we have y e to the power of s over 3. The integration of this one with number 0 in here. So we have c. That is about the constant. And now we have the conditions in here. That means when s equal to number 0, y equals to number 30. So we put number 0 go in here and number 30 go in here. We simplify and you got about 30. So we put this one go in here, and that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.